If I told you that there are people in Nigeria making money every single day without selling phones, without repairing phones, and without owning a phone shop, would you believe me? It sounds surprising, but it is true. Every day, thousands of Nigerians buy chargers, earphones, phone cases, screen protectors, power banks, USB cables, smartwatches, and many other phone accessories. Phone may last for years, but accessories get damaged, misplaced, or replaced all the time. That is why this business keeps bringing customers back again and again. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start a phone accessories business in Nigeria, even if you are starting with a small amount of money. I will also tell you the mistakes that make many people lose money. So make sure you watch until the end because small decision can determine whether your business succeeds or struggles. Before we continue, if you enjoy simple business ideas and practical ways to make money in Nigeria, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I share videos that can help you start, grow, and manage profitable businesses without confusing explanations. Now, let's get into it. One thing many people don't know is that Nigeria has one of the biggest smartphone markets in Africa. Almost everywhere you go, people are using smartphones. Students, workers, traders, business owners, even secondary school students now carry smartphones. And every one of these phones needs accessories. Someone charger spoils, another person's earphone stop working. Someone drops their phone and the screen protector breaks. Another person simply wants a new phone case because they are tired of the old one. This means the demand never really stops. The beautiful thing about this business is that you don't need millions of naira before you can start it. In fact, many successful phone accessory sellers today started with just a few products displayed on a small table or inside a kiosk beside their house. Some even started selling through WhatsApp and Instagram before finally opening a physical shop. The first thing you need is to decide how you want to sell because there are different ways to enter into this business. You can rent a small shop if you have enough capital to start. You can start with a display stand inside the BC market. You can share a shop with another business owner, or you can even begin completely online by posting your product on WhatsApp status, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, and TikTok. Many Nigerians now buy accessories online because it saves them time and stress. If your capital is small, don't allow that to discourage you. It is actually better to start small than to borrow money and put yourself under pressure. What matters is starting with products people already need. Now, what exactly should you sell? This is where many beginners make their first mistake. They buy too many different products because they want their shop to look full. And before they know it, half of those products are gathering dust because nobody is buying them. Instead, focus on fast selling items. Chargers are always in demand. USB cables sell every day because they easily get damaged. Screen protectors are another good product because many people replace them after they crack. Phone cases are popular, especially for the latest phone models. Power banks remain one of the best selling accessories because electricity is still a challenge in many parts of Nigeria. Earphones and Bluetooth speakers also attract steady demand. Then, as your business grows, you can begin adding more expensive items little by little. The next question is where to buy your products. This is very important because your profit starts from where you buy, not where you sell. If you buy expensive, your profits become small. Many Nigerians buy phone accessories from major markets where wholesalers sell at lower prices. Some travel to Lagos because the prices are usually cheaper there when you buy in large quantities, while others buy from wholesalers in cities like Onitsha, Aba, Kano, Abuja, Port Harcourt, or Ibadan, depending on where they live. If traveling is difficult for you, many wholesalers now sell online and deliver across Nigeria. Just make sure you deal with trusted suppliers and never rush to send money to someone you met online without confirming that they are legit. It is always better to buy small quantities first to test both the supplier and the quality of the product, because quality is something you should never joke with in this business. Imagine someone buys a charger from you today and tomorrow it stops working. That customer may never come back to you again. Worse still, they may even tell their friends not to buy from you. But if your products last longer than expected, that same customer will recommend you to family members and friends without you spending a single naira on advertising. Now, let me tell you something that surprises many people. Most people think the biggest shops make the most money because they have the largest stock, but that is not always true. Some small shops with fewer products actually make more profit because they understand what customers really want. They know which phone models are popular in their area. They know the colors people prefer. They know which charger lasts longer. They also know which product sells every single day. So instead of them buying everything, they focus on buying the right things. And that is one of the biggest secrets in this business. So don't try to impress customers with hundreds of products. Instead, impress them by always having the product they actually came to buy in your shop. Pricing is another area where beginners struggle in this business. Some people will increase their prices too much because they want quick profits, while others reduce their prices so much that they hardly make any money. The smarter approach is to know the average selling price in your area. So visit other shops, check online prices, compare their prices before fixing your own prices, because you don't always have to be the cheapest seller. Many customers are willing to pay a little more if they trust your product and your customer service. Speaking of the customer service, this can completely change your business. You need to smile when customers enter your shop, answer their questions politely, help them choose the right accessory for their phone. If someone is not sure about their phone model, assist them patiently, because small acts like this make people remember you. Many Nigerians return to businesses where they feel respected. Marketing is another part we should never ignore. Some people believe that once they open a shop, customers will automatically come. Unfortunately, that is not always how business works. Every day, post your products on your WhatsApp status, join local Facebook groups in your area, upload short videos on TikTok showing your latest arrivals, tell your friends and family about your business, ask satisfied customers to refer others, give small discounts occasionally to encourage repeat purchases. Another smart idea is to offer free installation for screen protectors if you know how to do it properly, because people love convenience. If they know that they can buy and install everything in one place, they are more likely to return. As your business starts growing, don't spend all your profits, because this is another mistake that has destroyed many businesses. You see someone starts making good sales today and immediately the person buys a new phone or spends the money on unnecessary things. Then a few weeks later, they don't have enough money to restock their shop again. So instead, keep putting your money back into the business, increase your stock gradually, add new products, improve your display. It is also important to pay attention to trends. Phone models change every year, new accessories come into the market regularly. If everyone is asking for accessories for the latest phones and you only stock products for old models, your sales will reduce. Always observe what people are buying. Listen to customers' requests. If five different people ask for the same product within a week, that is usually a sign that you should stock your store with that product. One thing I really like about this business is that it can grow in different directions. Today, you may sell only chargers and phone cases. Tomorrow, you may begin selling Bluetooth speakers, smartwatches, wireless earbuds, ring lights, mini fans, phone holders, memory cards, and other gadgets. And before long, you may even become a wholesaler supplying smaller shops in your area. Every successful business starts somewhere, so don't wait until you have millions before you start taking your first step. Start with what you have, learn the business, understand your customers, build trust, grow slowly, because small businesses become big businesses when the owner stays consistent. Remember, people will always own phones and as long as they own phones, they will continue buying accessories, and that is why this business remains one of the most practical businesses anyone can start in Nigeria. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to start a phone accessories business in Nigeria without feeling overwhelmed. If you found it helpful, please give the video a like because it helps more people discover the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as turning the notification bell on so as to be notified when next I drop new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.